Hello everyone. Has any of you been to the dentist office before? At least I have once a year. And this is how our story began. It's familiar for many of us, the scary stone mold on a dentist chair, and the dentist has to ship it to the specialized dental lab. It takes 5 days to fabricate a handcrafted crown. Let the lab ship it back to the dental office. It might work and it might require rescheduling. Who wants to wait? Who wants to go through uncertain process? Well, this is what we are building. We are allowing dentists to scan and design and 3D print within one visit instead of 5 days, and saving 100 times the cost. We are offering the most powerful and so easy to use dental printer ever created, consisting of software, a dental cam AI software, and a hardware that combine the whole workflow in a compact desktop machine and medical grade FDA approved materials to allow dentists to do their magic. We are not only active in crown workflow, we are also printing aligners, surgical guides, veneers, and so many other applications. There are 1 million dentists in the world. Only 7% of them who are into 3D printing. And it's growing at 29.3% year over year. However, the majority, 93%, are still paying 100 times the cost of crown and relying on a traditional way of making crowns. There are many printers in the world, starting from 100 to 1 million US dollars. However, they are not so dental and not easy to use. We came up with a leapfrog 3D printer that combined being a dental printer and affordable. On a software side, 30% of failure rate happens due to many of the steps required by ordinary generic software. We came up with a dental specialized CAM software that allow dentists prepare their crowns for printing within 1 click instead of 10 clicks. On the hardware side, many of Formlabs, Microlay, NextDent did a great job to build a powerful 3D printer. However, it's not so easy to use. We have built a very easy to use and powerful printer combining the whole workflow, printing, washing, and post-curing in a compact desktop machine with super intuitive user interface. Our business model is super straightforward. We are selling the printer for $5,500 US dollar and with lock-in consumables or cartridge, and the average dentist is paying $2,000 US dollar per year for cartridge. So far, we have sold 120 machines and generated $850K US dollar in revenues. And our users printed more than 500,000 crowns in 30 months. We are about to close this year with 150K US dollar in revenues, while cartridge represent 10%, to reach 40% in the upcoming 2 years. This is Ahmed Adel, co-founder and the CEO of MOGASSAM'S. I started as a researcher at the American University in Cairo, working on our core technology, stereolithography, and then spin off to start a generic printer company. It didn't go so well, so then we pivoted to a medical 3D printing and we became active in dentistry. My partner and co-founder, Dr. Mustafa Salah, he's a dentist and he was working as a managing director for an implant company, then joined the ride together since 4 years ago. We have raised 350K from investors who are willing to disrupt the medicine technologies. Brinc, a hardware fund, and 500 startups, a tech early stage venture capital based in Silicon Valley, and 360 Imaging, a dental software company in Atlanta. We are raising 500K to reach product market fit in the US and filing 3 patents. We started as a hardware company in Egypt, reached the biggest market share, and right now we are moving to provide all-in-one solution in every clinic in the world. Moving forward to monetize on a cartridge and data. Thank you for listening. We are ready to reinvent the dentistry.